Are you being productive first thing?
I suppose.
It's nice out here.
It is.
I'm starting to think about Halloween decorations.
Oh God.
It just means trips up and down the attic stairs. But I'm thinking I'm getting the itch now.
Oh Lord.
Good morning, Tux. I don't see Morris yet this morning. But, oh, there he is. Yay! Hey, buddy. You weren't very far. Sometimes he still sleeps in that chair at the top of the hill up there. Have fun.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my paper and water the plants at the mailbox.
Hopefully it'll be out there.
Yeah, hopefully.
Since it's Sunday and you have, you know, some time. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Last but not least. So now I had to explain to Dawn why the owls had to come down and the witch had to go up. But it's a start for Halloween decorating. I'm doing flags and the table today for sure, the kitchen table. Well, my bright idea today is to pick up trash here on the walk over to the Jeff Wells Trail down by the bridge. It's been a while, and it seems like we're not really having time in the mornings between school and work and other demands, and it needs it and all of that good stuff. I left my phone at home though. I won't be able to play any Pokemon Go. I don't know how I did that. I know how I did it. I was so winding up, getting ready to kick into gear on the Halloween decorating, this and that, that I left it at the house. And of course I loaded up the dishwasher to wash the dishes for the table, and I didn't start the dishwasher like I intended to either. So there's that. I don't know what to do. I don't have my purse and I don't have my phone. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
Yep, there's a lot, just like we expected. There was one bag back there, was a full bag, and it was open. And if we'd have stopped to handle that, we wouldn't have done anything else with what we brought with us. So we left that for another time, so we could get all this stuff up and down both sides of the road. And we're dressed vividly, and people have been coming by us at a reasonable pace today. Saw a Model S and a Model 3 both go past while we've been out here. Somebody took out the mailbox.
Just don't take a shovel and fix it.
Yeah, I understand. Well, I'd say we did good.
Yeah, I think so. Actually, it was less this time, I think.
Right, well, yeah. Like you said, we do it once a month and keep up with it as best we can. I don't know if it's probably been a little more than a month, but we keep up the part that we walk past every day, but the part that we have to walk off our normal path, we do when we have time and it looks like it needs it. Hopefully the town will come mow tomorrow. And that way it's a good day to mow because all of it won't just get shredded. We are going to leave it here, but if I see our friend from the town tomorrow morning, I'll let him know that we put extra stuff in it so he can drive down here and come take it out. I showed 26 minutes and 0.4 miles. It's going on 11 a.m. Dawn's giving blood at 2, so we got to get home with enough time for me to make bacon and cook him a nice breakfast.
That's right. Gotta have bacon before I give blood.
That's right. Well, they do want you to eat, and we're sort of, you know, our eating strategy is going to shift over time. I don't expect it to shift a bunch, but Like, we're not going to start eating all vegetables. That's not happening, ever. But Don, you know, is eating 1 meal a day, 7 days a week, and pretty much on Saturday and Sundays lately, I've been cooking him breakfast, and I think it's fine for him to have 2 meals a day, 2 days a week. Shift it up, change it up a little bit. Your body doesn't like, I was going to say complacency, but that's not the word. It likes for you to vary things a bit.
Shake things up.
Shake things up. So, and anyway, I'm going to be up and down the attic stairs and get some exercise there today. So, I'm not as worried about my steps. And Don is picking up, there's not much over here because we pick up stuff all the time. But there is a little bit here. We've got one more bag along the way. Don did keep out the aluminum cans. And he'll take those to the recycle bin at the landfill the next time we go. Although we smushed down that trash in the trash can pretty good. Like I said, when I see our buddy tomorrow morning, I'll let him know he should ride down there and empty that one sooner than later. But it's smushed down. There's still half of it empty. Don and I want them to add a trash can and a dog pickup station right along in here where the trail has been added up to that neighborhood. It's not quite halfway, but it's sort of halfway, and it's needed. We haven't seen anybody on the trail this morning. We did see a couple people down at the bridge, but not on the trail. It's quiet out here. It's nice. It's relaxing. And now there are leaves that look like trash but aren't trash. As we get into fall, Don and I have been faked out a couple times. The splash pad's not open, but the playground area is quite popular this morning. I did the outer parking lot. Don did the inside and outside of the ball field fence, which catches a bunch of stuff. And at this point, we're going to head out of the park because we certainly want to make sure Don has time for bacon and eggs, which you're good. It's like 11:40. We got plenty of time. It takes us an hour to make the bacon approximately, but we have enough bacon to make Don breakfast after 30 minutes, so we got time. I'll work on that while he showers and we'll be good. Because since I'm going to keep exercising and going up and down the attic stairs, I'm not too worried about hopping in the shower quick today. My watch says we've been walking for 1 hour and 15 minutes, 2.1 miles. Yeah. I don't see steps on that screen. I wish it would update that screen to show me steps. Oh, it feels good right in this spot. Shade and a good breeze tunneling through the trail there. And because we were out in the sun for quite a while there at South Park.
Yeah, I got my vitamin D dinner today.
Well, Don had emptied that one bag back so he could come back and pick up the whole bag of trash. Of course, like I said, we weren't so lucky that it was just dumped on the side of the road. It was dumped on the side of the road and split open. And it was beer cans and diapers and fast food containers and, you know, just not right stuff. It's not right. Don's shirt says, "We spark minds." This is something I picked up for him at Guardian Angel. And I was thinking bacon smell in the kitchen sparks an appetite. That's what I was thinking.
Totally.
You know it's Sunday if we're using electricity in the middle of the day to cook bacon.
That's right.
Don't let them hurt you.
They go kick the suck blood out of
Mr. O negative.
Yeah.
We
The blood won't show.
Right. We decided I was skipping this time.
Yeah, you
I
should.
have no condition that prohibits me from donating that we're aware of, even despite me not feeling good. I've had every test on the planet, which is basically what the doctor told me the other day. So, but just to be a little careful with me. I felt a little better the last 3 or 4 days. Why risk it?
Right. We just, you know, let's just.
We're not saying never, but this time I'm sitting it out.
I agree.
We Don and I talked, and I wasn't too stubborn, but I wasn't happy about it.
I understand.
Go get me my $20 worth of gift cards.
Yes, ma'am. That's all I'm worth is 20 bucks.
That's right. Not. I do need it for cat food, though. Every little bit helps. I stayed behind to work on the Halloween stuff. Maybe not wear myself out because I'm making chicken wings for dinner, and be accessible to Johnny while he's working on his homework. He's got lots of stuff today.
I'm injured. I'm injured. They poked me in my finger, and they poked me in my arm, and I bled.
That was the whole point.
Oh, yeah. Anyway, so they drained me so much I was really tired. I need a nap.
I told him he could have a nap, but he'd better put his headphones on because I am not done putting out Halloween stuff.
Yeah,
I got.
She's in decorating mood.
I am not stopping.
Decorating mode.
I'm tired, but I'm not stopping.
Go, 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 go.
So I bought this kid's toy one Halloween at Guardian Angel. And the kids played with it when they were little, so it's been a while. It actually opens up inside. And it's very similar to that Lego one that I built. It has really cool stickers. And this spins. And the chimney and this other peak, I snapped it back on. It does actually come off. I'm gonna clean it a little bit, but I can't really clean it because then the stickers and stuff will probably come off. So I'm gonna just gently squirt it and wipe it, but not trying to get it perfect. And then I'm gonna put it in that corner up there because it looks like all my Lego houses. The roof line. I love the roof line. I have to turn it over and see who made it. I don't have anything that like went with it, like dollhouse furniture or anything. It was just sold like this. It just says Hasbro 1976. Alright, I surely didn't hurt it any. And at least the little roof is dusted off now a little bit. It didn't have to be perfect, just a little bit of TLC and love there. I suspect I like this thing so much and these houses because of the influence of Scooby-Doo in my young life. I suspect that's what it is. Maybe that and my grandmother who loved antiques, although her house did not look like this. I'm calling her good for today. I guess if I didn't get to do anything else, I would probably be okay with that, but there is more that I want to do. I swapped out the gel clings over here on the windows, and all of my Annalie dolls are in the curio cabinet over here, many of which Michelle gave to me, so they're extra special. And yeah, I've got the hearth. I still need to arrange and plug in the village pieces. The kitties have their, little beds done up in orange now. And I've got more blankets and stuff in the dryer. I've been running laundry and running dishes, and yeah. But I mostly want to do left is, all my little stick guys that go on my plant pots out there. I need one of the guys to help me with that, though, to spot me on the stairs. And those sticks are just hard for one person to keep all lined up and come down the steps with. And I do have some more haunted Lego figurines that I had out last year, but they're up there in the box. I didn't bring them down, so I don't know. What happens, happens. That's enough for today, though. It's after 5 o'clock. I've got 12,000 steps. I don't even want to know how many flights of stairs. Getting ready to pop them in the oven, the chicken wings. This is just the first cook. And I got ice cream ready to go.